Okay guys, here we are with our next wheel at start. We got a Fordson Dexta tractor, 3-cylinder Perkins diesel, and it's been sitting for a while if you can't tell by the way it looks. But today we're going to try to get it running. I don't have any rear wheels for it, but as you can tell, that starter probably looks a little funky. Okay, that's because it's not the starter that's supposed to be on it. It's supposed to be a manual type starter where you move that cable back and forth and it engages the gear with the flywheel. Well, that's a Bendix type starter off of a David Brown tractor, because I had to do a bunch of researching, and I actually found out that the Bendix type like this on these David Browns will fit these, and come find out, yes it did, because I put it on there and it fit. So we're going to try and get it started with that starter, because as I said, I don't have any wheels to roll it off, and the starter that was on it was junk. So I guess we're just gonna see what happens here. So yeah, let's see what happens to her. All right, boys, let's see what happens. Might give her a little snort of starting fluid, might help her out. Hopefully she'll run. Not too much. That's fine. Well, she's getting fuel. See if we can crack an injector line. See if we get any fuel up here to our injectors. Could put a bigger battery on it too. On this crane, it was a really tiny battery. It probably wouldn't be a bad idea to do that. Let's try this. Getting fuel up here. That and back there is wet. So we can close her off. Oh yeah, that's definitely getting some fuel to her. This one getting a little. Actually, hold on guys. I'm gonna change the battery on this where it cranks faster. I went and got myself grabbed a bigger battery with some more cranking power. Let's see what happens then. Oh yeah, that sounds way better now. Alright, we're getting fuel out of this injector now. Let's close move her back up. 2. Oh yeah. Look at that fuel. Coming out of there. Make sure it's tight. This one's loose. I still ain't seen enough fuel out of it. Still ain't seeing none out of that one. We'll just give her some starting fluid. Might be the best idea. See if it will bust off. At least one. Well, we tried. Oh yeah, she wants to go, boy. Real bad. Let's try it. Well, she's a runner. Alright, so I messed with the injector line some and ran it with the injector line completely off until I started getting fuel out, and well, it's running better now. I'm going to show y'all how good it runs now, just after a little bit of tinkering with it, and it already is. Starts on frickin' first try. Now look, I mean, that's a good idle right there. It runs pretty darn good, I gotta say. And it ain't even got much blowback. I'm pretty daggum happy with that. I mean, it's hard not to be. I mean, it runs good, don't even got like a rod knock or nothing. I mean, daggum. I am real happy with that. All it took was a little starting fluid, I'm telling you. You ain't got to put a lot, but I mean, it helps, okay? It really does help when you put starting fluid in it, because it just gives it that boost that it needs to get running. It's good for it, honestly. I don't know why people are also so against it. I mean, I understand you can make a piece of equipment dependent on it and stuff, but I can't get this darn radiator cap on. But anyway, starting fluid's a good thing when it comes to stuff like this. When you just can't get it to bust off and you just need that initial hit to keep the momentum going, to get it running. I mean, that is what it's for. It ain't just to mess around with. It's actually, it means business. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. And if you like my tractor, I need to get some wheels for it so I can actually freaking drive with it and use it. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. See you later.